How to build a gaming PC, step-by-step guide for beginners. Hey there, gamers. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Vikas, and today we have an exciting video for all the gaming enthusiasts out there. In this video, we'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to build your very own gaming PC. If you're a beginner looking to enter the world of custom PC gaming, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. The first step in building your gaming PC is proper planning and research. Take some time to determine your budget, the specific components you'll need, and the performance you're aiming for. Research different options available in the market and make a list of the components you'll be purchasing. Step 2. Choose your components. Once you have a clear plan, it's time to choose the components for your gaming PC. This includes the processor, motherboard, graphics card, memory, storage, power supply. Consider your budget and the compatibility of the components to ensure they work seamlessly. Step 3. Prepare your workspace, and before you begin the building process, make sure you have a clean and well-lit workspace. Gather all the necessary tools such as a screwdriver, thermal paste, cable ties, and an anti-static wristband. These will help you assemble the components safely. Step 4. Build your motherboard. Start by installing the CPU onto the motherboard, followed by the memory modules and storage devices. Connect the necessary cables to the motherboard, including power supply cables for storage devices. Make sure to consult the manuals provided with components for specific. Step 5. Install the graphics card. The graphics card is a crucial component for gaming. Insert it into the appropriate slot on the motherboard and secure it with screws if required. Connect the necessary power cables to provide power to the graphics card. Step 6. Install the power supply. Mount the power supply into the computer case and connect the appropriate cables to the motherboard, storage devices, graphics card, and other components. Connections are secure and organized for proper cable. Step 7. Install any additional components you may have, such as extra storage drives, optical drives, expansion cards. Connect the necessary cables to these. Step 8. Cable management and final. Take the time to organize and manage the cables within your PC for optimal airflow and aesthetics. Use cable ties and clips to secure and route the cables neatly. Double-check connections to ensure everything is proper. Step 9. Test and boot up your PC. Before closing the computer case, double-check all connections one last time. Then, plug in monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Power on the PC and make sure it boots up correctly. Check if all components are recognized and fired. Step 10. Install the operating system. Once your PC has successfully booted up, it's time to install your operating system, such as Windows or Linux. Follow the on-screen instructions for installation. Drivers for your components to ensure optimal And there you have it. You've successfully built your own gaming PC from scratch. Now you can enjoy your favorite games with a machine tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming-related content. If you have any questions or need further, feel free to leave a comment below.